As a Jira administrator, you're likely managing change requests several times a month, but building complex updates directly in a live space is a recipe for broken layouts and user downtime. The solution is a safe staging environment. In this video, we'll use Configuration Manager for Jira, or CMJ Cloud, to capture a snapshot of our live holiday space and its SDT board. CMJ packages the complete structural framework, allowing us to drop it into our sandbox. Now we have a perfectly mirrored, data-clean testing area with zero manual rekeying required. Next, we'll make the requested changes with absolutely zero production pressure. In this example, we'll build an HR request loop and add a new leave type custom field. Next, let's validate the changes. We create a test task inside our Sandbox backlog, set the leave type to vacation, and move it to in progress. Clicking the status button reveals our new pending HR review transition, functioning exactly as designed. Now, let's package the update in a snapshot and send it over to production. We open CMJ Cloud inside our sandbox to create a brand new snapshot. Enter a snapshot name and add the holidays space. Since we didn't touch the board, leave that section blank. Click Next to add a description and label, and then take the snapshot. On the summary page, click the Deploy link. Enter a name for the deployment and specify the production environment location. Click Next. CMJ runs a change analysis before a single data point is altered and identifies exactly what will be added and modified. If you see an accidental configuration element, you have complete surgical control to skip it right from the wizard. Hit deploy, and CMJ safely updates our live system. And just like that, a complex space configuration is live in production. No tracking gaps, no configuration drift, and no weekend emergency tickets. Stop rebuilding Jira configurations by hand every week. Visit the Atlassian Marketplace, search for Configuration Manager for Jira, and start your free trial of CMJ Cloud today.